Hello everyone, Richard Hundley and David McKeever here with Advance One McKeever Real Estate to present to you another segment of Monthly Market Update. But this year it's going to be a yearly update taking all of 2019. So David, can you take it away on the first graph for us?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're doing the 2019 year in review, and the first data point we want to discuss is what happened in prices in 2019. And the first chart up on the screen, I want to look back to December of 2018. And at that month, the average sold price was $302,000. Going to December 2019, the average sold price was $343,000. So quite an increase. That's an increase of, I wrote down 13.6% to be precise. And so that's quite a big increase. Now, as you can see, prices just slowly ticked up over the course of the year. And just for clarification, we're looking at this dark red line. That's the average sold price in Stockton during that time period. To get a better understanding of price, the next one I want to look at, the next data point is the median sold price. That could be a little bit different. Let me put that up on the screen here right now. All right, here we have the median sold price here in the city of Stockton for basically the start of 2018 all the way through to the end of 2019. And that is a 12.3% increase in Stockton. So another great year for Stockton real estate. Another double-digit gain in terms of appreciation. We started the year, or it ended 2018 at $285, and we ended 2019 at $320,000. So that's a pretty strong year here in Stockton. Next, we're going to look at what's happening in the market, how it's looking compared to last year. So we're going to get that over to Richard to look at our for sale and number of sales.
So on this chart, you can see the light green bars are basically the amount of listings taken. In December of 18, we were at 590. In December, just last month, we were down to 399. That's a drop of 32%. So the listings are way down, indicating probably, David, that we might get a little spike in price. Maybe so. With both the pendings and solds more or less holding, but the listings dropped quite a bit. So we'll see what that does to us as the winter continues. But for a whole year, that's quite a drop.
So as you can see, last December, Richard was talking about there was more homes that came on the market versus December of 2019. And the end of December of 18, our months of inventory is almost a neutral market. We're right around 3 months of inventory, which is the beginning of a neutral market, one that doesn't favor the buyer or one that doesn't favor the seller. However, we're in a different change of scene now. This market, we're back down. The inventory levels have dropped to 1.9 months of inventory, which without more listings coming on the market, that number will decrease. And once again, it's favoring a seller's market.
Yeah, definitely back to seller's market. And sellers, you rule right now.
Yeah. So we have one more chart that I want to compare the 2 years, and this was our days on market to see how quickly homes are selling.
And on this chart, this is days on the market. From December of 2018 to December of 2019, we went from 49 days on the market to 40, which is a percentage drop of how much, David?
18%.
18% drop. So you see all of our movements have been double-digit movements, and less time on the market means probably a little bit higher prices, and sellers are still more or less in charge of this market at this time.
Yeah.
David?
That's a great indication of where the market is at the moment. Inventory is low. It's a seller's market. Interest rates are still low, under 4%. And looking forward into 2020, I think we're going to have another really good year. Maybe not a 12% gain year, but I think it's going to be a really good year. I don't see a whole lot changing in the economic situation with the presidential election coming up. I think rates are going to stay low. Demand is going to stay strong. Therefore, it's going to drive prices up a little bit higher here.
Yep. Keep going. Most forecasts are calling for anywhere from 4 to about 7% across the state increase, and that's across the board. So possibly here in Stockton, that could even be a little bit more. So get ready, we're still moving.
Yes, we are. Well, that concludes our 2019 recap. And if you have any questions, our contact information is here below on the screen. If you are looking to sell your home or buy in the near future, please reach out to us. More specifically, if you're thinking about selling your home, we can get a better snapshot of your neighborhood and what's happened there as far as prices are concerned. But we really appreciate you guys watching today, and we will see you next month with the January update.
See you then.
Thanks for watching.